Good morning. It's September 22 and it's 8:29 in the morning. The market's just about to open. The markets have been down. Futures have been down this morning, apparently from statements made by the federal government yesterday. Here we go. The market's open. Let's see what happens. I'm going to pause. Okay, the market's taking off, and we've moved past our pivot at 710, or have we? No, we're just coming up to that pivot at 710. That could be a reversal point, so we'll keep our eyes on our fibs and on our MACDs. Got a little ocean noise in the background that's getting a little loud. I feel like I need to pull out my life raft here in a minute. Some of the traders say to experiment with different sounds and music to see if it can help keep you calm during the trading period. Okay, we're at the double top. Let's see if we have a reversal here. It looks like the MACDs are pointing up. We've broken that double top, and we had a 2-bar reversal. Now on the 4181, we're approaching the 76 fib, so we want to watch that. Could have a reversal there. I think we need to make some money with our futures to make up for our stock holdings, which seem to be headed for the deeps. Okay, we've got a looks like a reversal going. I'm watching the 610. Had quite a drop on that bar. There's a head and shoulders, and quite a jump up now. We're seeing quite a bit of volatility in the opening minutes of the market. That's not unusual, and it's probably not a good place for those who are faint of heart to trade like myself. There's a 2-bar reversal. Nice head and shoulders. We've had good separation coming up on the 233, 377, 610. But some of our indicators are on the, some of our big charts are on the rail coming up, so I wouldn't be surprised if we had a turnaround near this mid-band on the Keltner. There's a 2-bar reversal. We're dancing on the Keltner now. We've moved through the mid-band or the zero line on the MACDs, so probably won't have a mid-band push. Don't have one. Okay, the 610 is pretty much going sideways, a little down. place for a trade now. No, we're coming back up. Got a lot of down volume in trading. Have an opportunity for a mid-band push here. So we have divergence. No, we're moving on through. I'd like to see the price go up to help our stocks and bonds out. Stocks rather. Okay, could have a 2-bar reversal. Okay, we almost came up to the 76. We could have a reversal at that point if we get up there. There's a 2-bar reversal down. Didn't make the 76. Still on the rail with the big charts. So we're looking for more up there. We'll put a little marker here for where the 76 is. So we have a potential for a reversal there. There we go. Let's see what our MACD say. Coming up to resistance on the 233. Oh, we've moved through. At 642.6 we've got a double high. Still no indications on the big charts that we're going to move lower. We are getting some separation on the 987. You might notice that I've cleaned up my charts a little bit, thanks to Blue Melee. Still got a strong up on the small charts. And we are now approaching 76 fib, so got a potential for a turnaround there around 645.4. That's right up here. Oops. Okay, so we've hit that fib. Got a potential for a reversal here. I don't see any sign of decrease in strength on the up though. So we don't want to get in front of that freight train. Got a nice upward trend forming, and I don't think we'd want to get in on that unless we had a retracement first. You know how these babies are? You get in there and the next thing you know, you're reversing. Okay, we still have a potential for reversal here at the fib. $6.10's not buying it yet. Okay, now we've got some indication on 233. Yeah, oh, all right. Yeah, we had an opportunity, but we had some quick dual bar reversals up there. You had to be very quick to catch that. I wasn't. But there are more trades coming. That's the thing you have to know as a trader. You're going to miss some trades, but there's always more trades coming. Got a real quick downturn here. They'd just love you to jump on that bandwagon and pull the horses to the left and have you fall out of the cart. Okay, we got a potential for a mid-band push here. It looks like the BBs have gone through the zero line, so don't have an opportunity there. I noticed that the big charts have their BBs well below the center line, whereas the small charts are above or at the center line, so I'm not sure what causes that. Got plenty of volatility in the market as well as trade volume. We're showing down in the short charts. A lot of them are on the line, on the rail, or even better, they're bouncing off the rail, which is indicator of more short. Got some nice separation on 610 and 987. Kind of indicates that we're going short. The bigger charts though are still showing up. So how about this? We'll probably have some more down and then we're going to have some up. How about that? Let's make a little fib on our latest pivot. And we see that we're coming down to the 76 any moment now. That'd be a good potential area of reversal. Got a little 2-bar reverse there. Let's see, did I get this right? No. So they didn't come all down all the way, but they might. Alright, here we go. And now we've reached our 76 fib and blown through it. Okay, we got a double bottom coming up. $39, 639.2, that's a possibility. Still showing down on the fibs though, or rather the MACDs. two-bar reversal here. 144 shows coming up. Coming in from the side just barely. So we could have a reversal. 233 starting to make a move up. .610's at resistance. Okay. I guess we don't have a live BB on the 610. Oh yeah, we do. We do. It just doesn't move very much. As I said, I have been making some changes to the charts, so alright, here we go. We got some nice separation on the up. Looks like a time for a long. We're getting some separation now on 144 MACD, so may have a reversal coming. Now we got to bounce off. And after that big move, it's not uncommon for a little sideways action. Keltner shows down. Bollinger Bands are showing pretty much sideways with a combination of up and down. So it's a difficult read for me. Not a good place to, not a good time to place a trade in that case. Okay, on the 4181, we're seeing that we're getting priced to follow our fibs. Came down to the very deeps, up to 76, and then back down. So paying attention to those fibs. We may come back down, break through, or bounce off. Kind of a slope going here. $233 is rolling around and down. 610 is still showing down, but we're inside the rail, so we got weakness on that down. Got a bull flag on 987. 1597 is rolling around. Looks like it could roll around and come down. And we're starting to see maybe a little roll on the 4181 also. Our volumes are showing down, both down in volume and we're down in direction. So we're losing steam, which sounds like the general perception of the situation with the U.S. economy. I'm not that pessimistic. Still have strong corporate earnings. Okay, this trend line is holding up. we get towards the top of it, should probably get a piece of it, huh? How many times does it have to do it before you become a believer? And I saw her face. I'm a believer. Okay. Here we go again, coming back up there. Got a lot of separation underneath 377, so it could be a reversal there coming. Just kind of putzing along now with the Bollinger Bands highly constricted. This is supposed to mean that we're coiling for a strike. Question is, in what direction? Let's see what this double bottom did. Well, we're just about coming to it. Now it looks like we've got some up action. We could have a foot forming on 377. Oh, a nice bulge. Let's take a long on that. Whoa.
Order pending. Order filled.
Okay, I got filled. Got a real tight stop. See how well this foot goes. Alright, we're moving pretty well. Not going to lose any money on this one. As soon as I see weakness, I'm getting out. Haven't seen it yet. I'm going to put a nice profit in. I'm happy already, folks. That's my weakness. I'm happy on something small, but if I'm happy, right? Alright, let's move up. Let's move up, baby. Still strong on the rail with 377. Showing some weakness on 144. Coming to the rail. Could be coming over. Still showing up volume.
Stop filled.
Alright, she chopped back and got me, but I got some ticks out of that. That was 6. I got 6 and I got 5 earlier, so that's 11 so far for today. Okay. So that was kind of exciting. I gotta admit, trading futures is exciting. Alright, we got a potential mid-band push here with price coming down to the center line, but divergence showing up on the MACDs like right now, but we're not going to pick up on one of those until we see a change in direction. Okay, it looks like we're going to go ahead and blow down and through that. Look at how that price moved off of that top Keltner channel. Amazing. Okay, let's see if we get some Mark our 76. See if we get down to that. Do a reversal. Getting some separation on 1597. Coming up to resistance on 4181. So we could have further down here. Okay, we hit our 76 fib on the small retracement. On the bigger picture, we're still between fibs. Okay, it's playing with the fib. Got a double bottom here. Looks like down is the action. I'm going to go down on the rail on 377. We're curling around down on 610. Could have a foot of sorts on 610 coming up, as well as on 987, but it's going in a different direction. So it's looking like down. Okay, did we come to our double bottom? No, we broke through the bottom of the last pivot. Now we're doing some retracing. Let's see if we'll get up to the mid-band. Got a triple bottom now. Okay, I'm going to put it on pause till we see some action. Okay, we're seeing price rising up to the deeps. Could have a reversal here. We've got a 233 foot forming possibly. A lot of separation on 377, some separation on 610, and the other big charts, except the 4181 just got on the rail. But still, we have a possibility for reverse here. We're getting a lot of double, almost a triple top. Very, very tempting. A lot of separation. I think we're going to take a short here.
Order pending. Order filled.
Okay, we're in for a short. Trade's starting to move our way. Now we'll see if we can pop through this. We did. Okay. Foot seems to be forming well on 233. 377 starting. Oops.
Stop filled.
Alright, I only made one tick on that. Came back up. That was a retracement. We'll see if it pops against that high again. Now we're having even more separation on 377. Could have a head and shoulders forming here. Well, we got one forming, but on the upswing. So only made one tick minus commission. That's enough to buy a beer, I guess. Have a dual bar reversal now, but a lot of strong upside. So that's got to make one leery to jump in for a short. 233 looks like some kind of a foot with two soles. We did have a bounce off the 610, so to me that indicates hey, you got a lot of potential for up. And here we go. We're going to new highs. Got a lot of separation on the 1597. Actually on all the charts except 144 and 4181. A lot of up in the rest of the indicators. Moving to new highs. Of course, it's a lot of movement on the 144. You take a look at the 4181. Looks like you barely moved at all, of course. Takes about, what, 22 ticks, 22 bars on the 144 to create 141.81 bar. But we're moving up, and that's really what we want if we have any stock holdings. Okay, we're dancing on the upper Keltner channel. Got a trend line going on in there. Breaking through that trend line now on the downward angle. Maybe we'll get down to the mid-band, have a mid-band push. 610 change down. Okay, you may have heard that I set up an alert, so when the 610 changes direction, I get a verbal alert. It was a weak V, so I don't expect a lot of down. And we're coming up to the mid-band now, but pricing could well have a mid-band push here because there's divergence. Sure is tempting, but you gotta wait until you have a reversal, some kind of strong indicator that you're changing direction. Have a little bounce off the line on 233. Again, that indicates that, hey, we probably got more down. And it looks like we do. We're well on the band now with 377 on the rail down. So yeah, looks like we got plenty of down. No mid-band push. And sometimes you'll go through the mid-band, come back up to it, and get a reverse push. See if that happens. Well, it looks like it is happening. Now if we get a bar set up, I think that would be a good trade. Okay, let's go.
Order pending.
Oh, looks like
Order filled.
still got heavy down indication. Good separation on 1597. I'm kind of stalling out here. I don't like that. Still on the rail with 377. Still looking down at 610. Okay. Now we're making some money. Okay, let's see what we're coming up to. 610 resistance on the lower Bollinger. Okay, let's make a little money here. Alright, we're going to make a little money here.
Stop filled.
Alright, I'm going to call it a day. I'm very happy. I didn't let that one run. Okay, I'm very happy with my results today. I've got $128 that's on trading one contract, of course. $128 profit. For some reason, my first trade, which was at 8:05 today, profit of 5 ticks, is not included in this list. I'm not sure why. In any case, I calculated $174 of profit. That's net. My goal is 200 net, so that's quite close enough for me. I'm very happy with that, and I want to thank everybody at Big Mike Trading, especially Blue Melee, and a few others. I'll get their names soon, for their help in this. Talk to you later.